The Middle East is currently experiencing one of its most serious crises in decades. Multiple conflicts involving Israel, Iran, and armed groups across the region are escalating tensions and affecting global politics, security, and energy supplies. The crisis has deep historical roots. One key issue is the long-standing rivalry between Israel and Iran, combined with conflicts involving Palestinian groups and Iran-supported militias such as Hezbollah in Lebanon. These tensions intensified after the Israel-Hamas war that began in October 2023, which destabilized the region further. In early 2026, the situation escalated dramatically. The United States and Israel launched military strikes against Iranian military and nuclear-related targets, aiming to limit Iran's strategic capabilities. Iran responded with missile and drone attacks across the region, leading to a wider confrontation and emergency measures in Israel. This conflict has expanded beyond just two countries, increasing fears of a broader regional war. Iran-aligned groups in different countries have also become involved. Hezbollah in Lebanon launched rockets toward Israel, and Israeli forces carried out airstrikes in response. These actions have displaced civilians and raised concerns about a larger conflict spreading across multiple Middle Eastern nations. The crisis now involves military, political, and humanitarian challenges. The Middle East is crucial for global energy supplies. Tensions around oil shipping routes such as the Strait of Hormuz have caused fluctuations in energy prices worldwide and increased international concern about economic stability. In summary, the Middle East crisis is driven by historical rivalries, regional alliances, and strategic security concerns. Diplomatic negotiations and international cooperation will be essential to prevent further escalation and bring long-term stability to the region.